If you have to recommend one or two strategic priorities for operators preparing for 2026 demand, whether that be cooling, technology, siting, capacity planning, etc., what would they be?
Just because it's the last thing we were talking about, I would absolutely say, one, yes, look at the cooling technologies and begin the education now. I do think things are changing so fast, and we're all honest that this is new to all of us. So the sooner you can start learning, educating, going to shows, reading different white papers, just trying to familiarize yourself with the different technologies that are out there, that's really key. And then I do think that on behalf of everyone in the industry, it does help to consider the different ways we can communicate what our industry is doing in terms of building for AI and what that means, what the benefits are, what the drawbacks are, and what initiatives each company and stakeholder is taking to reduce the stress on an environment.